Number 1. The Wright brothers' first flight was shorter than the wingspan of a Boeing 747. Number 2. Commercial airplanes can fly with one engine. If an engine fails, the plane can still land safely. Number 3. The black box in airplanes isn't black. It's actually bright orange to make it easier to find after a crash. Number 4. There's a secret bedroom for pilots on many long-haul commercial flights, usually hidden behind the cockpit. Number 5. The Boeing 747 has approximately 6 million parts. Number 6. Airplane tires are designed to withstand incredible speeds up to 250 miles per hour at takeoff and landing. Number 7. The oxygen masks in airplanes have enough oxygen for about 15 minutes, usually enough time for the pilot to bring the plane to a safer altitude. Number 8. The wings of an Airbus. A 380 are so large that they can accommodate 70 cars on each. Number 9. Aircraft can't reverse thrust in flight, but can use reverse thrust after landing to help slow down. Number 10. The world's busiest commercial airport is Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport, with over 100 million passengers annually. Number 11. A commercial airliner is struck by lightning about once a year, but planes are designed to withstand it without suffering damage. Number 12. The altitude at which commercial jets fly is high enough to see the curvature of the Earth. Number 13. The Boeing 747's engines produce a thrust of about 50,000 pounds each, equivalent to the power of 2,500 family cars. Number 14. The Concorde, a supersonic passenger airliner, could travel from London to New York in just under 3.5 hours, twice as fast as conventional airliner. Number 15. Flight attendants are trained in hand-to-hand combat to manage unruly passengers. Number 16. The first in-flight movie was shown in 1921 on an Aeromarine Airways flight. Number 17. The heaviest aircraft ever built is the Antonov An-Tu-125 Mriya, designed to transport the Soviet space shuttle. Number 18. In the early days of commercial flights, airlines weighed passengers along with their luggage. Number 19. The average lifespan of a commercial airplane is about 30 years. Number 20. There are more than 15,000 airplanes in the air at any given moment during the day. Number 21. Airplanes can fly with significantly damaged wings or engines due to their robust design and redundancy systems. Number 22. The temperature outside a cruising commercial jet can plummet to as low as minus 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 23. Singapore Airlines Flight SQ-21 from Singapore to Newark is one of the longest non-stop commercial flights, covering over 9,500 miles. Number 24. The longest commercial flight ever was Qantas Flight QF 7879, which flew non-stop from New York to Sydney in 19 hours and 16 minutes, covering a distance of over 16,200 kilometers, about 10,066 miles. Number 25. The tires of an airplane are filled with nitrogen to reduce the risk of fire. Number 26. The world's smallest jet is the BD-5 Micro, with a wingspan of 14 feet. Number 27. The fastest manned aircraft is the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, with a speed of over 2,200 miles per hour. Number 28. Some airplanes have a ram air turbine, a RAT, that can deploy to generate emergency power. Number 29. It's possible for a plane to fly on Mars, but it would need much larger wings due to the thin atmosphere. Number 30. The largest passenger plane, the Airbus, a 380, can carry over 800 passengers. Number 31. The first female pilot to fly solo across the Atlantic was Amelia Earhart in 1932. Number 32. Flights are longer today than they were in the past due to congestion and the need to conserve fuel, a phenomenon known as flight stretching. Number 33. In-flight Wi-Fi uses satellite technology to keep you connected above the clouds. Number 34. The longest time spent in a continuous flight by a helium balloon is over 2 weeks. Number 35. Pilots and co-pilots are required to eat different meals to reduce the risk of both being poisoned. Number 36. The airspace over Disney parks is a no-fly zone, primarily for safety and noise control. Number 37. An airplane's windshield is strong enough to withstand a collision with a bird at high speed. Number 38. Cockpit security doors on commercial airplanes are bulletproof to enhance security post 9/11. Number 39. Some military aircraft can fly for hours upside down. Number 40. The first airplane bathroom was introduced in 1914, 3 years after the first commercial flight. Number 41. Planes can fly with almost an entire engine missing, a testament to their safety and design. Number 42. The Antonov An-Tu is a plane that can fly backward if it's moving into a headwind faster faster than its forward speed. Number 43. There's a term for fear of flying: aviophobia. Number 44. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner can create over a liter of water from the air every hour as a byproduct of fuel combustion. Number 45. Some airports have longer runways to accommodate the higher speeds needed for takeoff at higher altitudes or in hot weather. Number 46. The Wright brothers mechanic Charles Taylor built the first aircraft engine. Number 47. Jet fuel can't melt steel beams, but it burns hot enough to significantly weaken the structure of steel, contributing to structural collapse in fires. Number 48. The largest formation flight consisted of 49 planes flying in formation, showcasing precision and coordination. Number 49. A Boeing 777's engines are so powerful that at full throttle, they can empty an Olympic-sized swimming pool in under 25 seconds. Number 50. During World War II, Japan launched thousands of paper balloons armed with bombs across the Pacific, aiming for the US in one of the earliest attempts at intercontinental warfare.